Come test drive 2021 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.